Hey there, guys, welcome to another episode. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between doing installation on car decals during the hot, sweaty, and hot summer days compared to the cold, freezy winter days. So make sure you stick around until the end, and of course, give us a like if you like this video and subscribe if you're new. So let's get started. Well, we're finally here installing the stickers, and it's windy and very cold. You can tell by Saul's face. It looks like a tomato. Anyway, we are cleaning the surface first with rapid tag before installing the stickers. As you can hear, the wind was really strong and freezing, so we couldn't record this episode. So I'm gonna do most of the time voiceover. As you saw, we used rapid tag to clean the surface, but only to clean the surface. So do not, and hear me well, do not use wet application or any wet solution during winter days, especially if you're doing installation outdoors, and especially if you're gonna do it on glass, because it might take forever to dry out and you're gonna stay there for hours and hours and wait until it gets dry. So do not use wet method during winter days. One of the positive things about winter is that it makes the vinyl to stick on the surface faster, but still be careful when removing the transfer, especially if you are using a high tack like the rtape Clear Choice AT75. Now, what about doing the installation when it's snowing? Well, we're about to show you that too. The problem with snow is that it makes cars very dirty and you have to melt the ice and then clean the surface well.
All right, guys, we're finally ready. We gotta hurry. I'm gonna use the cutting knife and we're gonna start from the center, and I'm gonna put my squeegee, and I need to get rid of the backing paper, and right now it's a little bit cold, so the transfer is gonna act a little bit. I know that.
The longer we stay, the harder it's gonna get.
It's okay, I can probably get rid of that.
As I mentioned earlier, the good thing about cold weather is that the vinyl sticks to the surface faster and it is easier to remove the transfer after you apply it. But when you want to remove it from the paper, it's a whole different story, as you can see here, and that you saw us struggling. And that's what cold weather does to vinyl. So make sure that you remove it carefully, and if you have to, use a heat gun. We didn't have to because it wasn't that much of a big deal, but if you find yourself struggling, we recommend that you use a heat gun. Oh my god, guys, we are finally done. It didn't take that long, but because of the weather, it felt like an eternity. You can tell by Saul's ears.
Look at my nose. No, don't look at it. Don't look at it.
And yeah, the temperature went down, maybe 3 more degrees down. It was 29 when we started. It is now 25, 26. Cold. But I mean, easy money.
I was yeah.
I guess the cold and hot weather have a lot of things in common, and that is that the vinyl will stick to the paper. But the positive thing about hot weather is that you can use rapid tag or any wet solution because it will dry out quickly and it will give you a chance to reposition in case something goes wrong. The bad thing about hot weather is that the longer you stay and wait, the more wrinkles you will get on your transfer and difficult to remove it from the paper. So you better hurry up and try to remove it as quick as possible. And if you have to use a wet solution, do it. It'll be better for you. So the same thing happened to us on this project. Because of the extreme hot weather, we couldn't record. But the positive thing about that day is that for this project, we had to remove some stickers too. But it was so easy because it was so hot that the adhesive activated and it was easier to remove the stickers when we thought it was gonna be really hard. And we even brought a heat gun with us and a torch just in case, but we never had to use them. So there it is. Every weather has their cons and pros. So you have to know when to use the wet application and dry application as you saw on this video. So thank you very much. Hopefully you got some new information, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. We will see you guys again on the next episode. Thank you so much.